Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video I want to show you how to expand RAM on this device. So let's start by opening settings on your device, and now let's scroll down until you reach about device section, and here you will see RAM. First of all, of course, enable RAM expansion so that you could expand it. And now below you can see this slider that you can use to choose how much virtual RAM you want to add. It could be 4 GB, 6 or 8 GB. So use this slider, and after this you want to restart your device to changes take the effect. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.